Any thoughts on RSLS? PEGY rolling like a hold on. We still got a buy signal on it. Let me give you my thoughts on RSLS really quickly. RSLS may challenge that Friday's high before the close. Looks interesting. Let's check out. Not much, but slightly outweighing its close to 10% on the active buy. Better, are you already in RSLS? And if so, what is your cost average? Yeah, it may challenge that Friday's high for sure. You in at 18 cents. Yeah, I get out this thing at, if you in at 18, I get out at 22. $23 tops, man. Sketchy B said great call on NGKN. Look at that on a major buy. NKGN. I alerted that on the 22nd last month. The entry price of $1.53, price target $2.14. But we already hit the price target on that on the 29th or the 28th, one of the two. On this day here, the 25th. Okay, just 3 days later we hit that in the pre-market. We ran as high as 218. Again, from the alert entry of $1.53. But today we did hit the price target again, so but Sketchy been away for a while. So We also hit that 214 today, so he probably missed the price target and got another chance. Check this out on a 3-minute. PEGY is just rolling and it isn't stopping. Let's check out that active buy right now. We at 19. It looks like we got 20 cents with ease on this thing. If you did catch the live stream around lunchtime, then you guys caught the PEGY entry. Profit ratio extremely high right now. I got at 20 cents. Shout out to those that is currently watching. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. Let's get this thing up, guys. Let's get those 10 likes in here. That should be out the door. Yeah, that profit ratio extremely high, guys. When this retrace, it's going back down to 12 cent or lower quickly. So remind. Still having a buy signal. What's going on, bro? Star Freeze in the building. Y'all heard what he said. Smash that like button. PEGY flying after hours. You got a 21 million market cap. Share float is almost engulfed. 19 million on the float cap. Look at this on the day chart really quickly. They don't I guess they don't show it. Okay, that was on the 15th. Yeah, PEGY. It's no support. So it can fly, but once it fly, it is going to tumble. It's going to drop like an anvil. 99.92% on the profit ratio. We may have seen the high on the day. Let's see. That profit ratio got to drop a bit. Bouncing off that mid on the 1 minute is a that's a good symbol. If you're looking to exit pretty soon. There it go, bouncing off that mid. The higher that profit ratio gets, the riskier entry. Anybody still holding FFIE? $4.80. Let me check out AMC. You right. If we do, we got to cross 481. We should set another high on the day for AMC. Yep, you see that? All you got to do is know how to read the tape, guys. That's it. Shout out to Star Freeze for putting it in our face. FFIE starting to roll a little bit here too. $4.93. There's no support, so I really can't. I just got to go off the bids. Right now the bid's showing $4.93 crosses. Yeah, $4.93. Well, $4.90 is starting to catch. What's the share price? Yeah, $4.90 starting to build a wall. CTNT halt. Good call, better. I think you are better than me at this. Talk about savvy investor. See what those orders is landing. Got some at 1467. Active sale 13,000, 0 on the buy. Okay, we may see some downward pressure here. We may. I don't want to speak it into existence. Just getting lucky. Yeah, man. It's alright. Just being able to spot them. You don't always have to be in them. Just learning how to spot them, momentum plays like that. Eventually you will catch them. But yeah, here's the active buy right here, guys. Active buy is heavier than the active sale overall. Can I do a poll? Up or down? I want to see you guys vote on that. Do you think CTNT is going to halt up or down? Hurry up, get your votes in before it unhalts. you could say that again, Star Freeze. Don't forget to get those votes in, guys. Do you think will CTNT hold up or down? And I would consider that small uptick a halt up. What you guys think? Yep, we're gonna call that a halt up. Shout out to those that got it correct. Nice halt up. Aftermarket rally. Shout out to my boy. Better on that. I told you. This guy is better than me at this. Green Day on GME. Let's check it out. This is nuts. I gotta get the aftermarket in. Post market. Buying active sale. And this is why I love Moo. So organized. In fact, let's just all hour that. Currently got 11 people watching. If you haven't already, guys, please smash that like button. All right, please smash that like button. We only got 6 likes, guys. 9 people watching, 6 likes. We are not satisfied with that at all. Yeah, that thing flying, man. It's a wide spread, man. $17.50. All the activity at $17.50, 17, $16.92. $16 as well. $16.69 is pretty healthy on the buy. Whoa. case y'all don't know how to read the tape, if you look closely, it'll show you what you're looking for. The type of orders and trades. You got your neutrals, your asks, your bids, your closing prints. Sold out of sequence. Odd lots, they're usually coming from foreigners. So basically, guys, when you have a full, basically diamond shape, that is a neutral set. That is a neutral transaction. When it's obviously greening up, that is a bid order. That's a bid order that is basically being filled higher than the current share price, maybe a penny, few cents. Vice versa. When you got the red half a diamond, yeah, the volume's starting to slow. We're not seeing those huge 20K, 30K, 40K. You're seeing 5,000-6,000 consistently. The first 3 minutes of the aftermarket. GME end of the day rush. Alright, those bids are starting to pick up. GME starting to see a trickle here, but CTNT is looking pretty strong. On no volume, right? Z. Pop towards the end of the day. That's why I like Mumu so much, because I can get those interval stats and tell you what went on during this 33% hike. Alright. Next volume 90,000 in a candle. 90,000 in 1 minute. That was huge. Okay. Good thing it happened right before the close, because we can check the intraday chart. Because we can check the intraday chart here on the capital trend. Okay, extra large inflow and the large starts to pick up towards the end of the day. Basically covering went on, and then we actually see small scale inflow as well. But yeah, covering went on here today. Let's check out a 34% short sale ratio. Not much on volume, but it's huge. Unless this thing had a reverse stock split. It didn't look like it. Yep, it didn't. Dang, that's how fast things turn around. It's dropping now. This one I got my eyes on. Looks pretty darn good. There it goes, CTNT. This is the one I got my eyes out on. Shout out to my boy for hitting it in our face. My boy Better. Maybe 20, 18, I'm out. 18, I'm out. It depends on when I bought in. Let me check the market cap, because I didn't even. I don't know. This thing may hold up throughout the aftermarket hours. We got a 1.54 million share float. Huge total share count. These guys finna throw an offering out there. This run for a couple of days, they will be throwing an offering out there. Let's see here. And there she blows. 21 cent. I mean $21 on the high. I got you, man. I got you, John. John, I owe it to you for your GME call. I owe it to you, John. It is taking off. We always seem to find and sit here with the stocks that take off, right? Leave. Video. It helps. Yeah, 20 was lowballing it. See what else is out there. See, I got my moo organized a certain way. So if you're probably looking at yours, it probably look totally different. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys, on your way in. It really does help the channel grow. Both are making another leg up. AGRI is on the right side better, and then CTNT is on the left. No, we ain't gonna use that. Yeah, CTNT going crazy. It's the one that I got my eyes on, guys. There we go, guys, making that next leg up. This is what you call nuts right here, man. We only got 5 people currently watching, guys. These homers. I have to be shadow banned, right? It's crazy. Why doesn't YouTube recommend my videos? And there she blows. Yeah, I really think I'm shadow banned, bro. Can't be any other explanation. Got a mean work ethic. Down to earth. I just like to see people make money, that's all. But with the help of you guys liking the videos, maybe sharing it on StockTwits here and there and Reddit, we can beat the algo. I know, right? Crossing the big 30. Guys, you probably be wondering, why do I step away so much? Full-time father. Okay, we starting to get %. This thing closed with 100% profit ratio. Every share bought today. It's profitable. When you got a situation like that, guys, things retrace faster than they went up. Yeah, man. I got 4 total. Me and my wife has 1. She has 2 girls, and I have another son that stays in Chicago. He's 10. My youngest boy is about to turn 2 in December. Probably wondering, Obi, how old are you? Take a guess. Feeling generous. First one, whoever gets closest to my age, you already know the drill. I'm giving these Discord memberships out left and right. So whoever can guess my age, bam, closest to the age, will get a 30-day free trial to the Discord. Better is clocked in at 33. I hope you're going off the age of my kids and not the looks, man. It's not too many people in the live now, so the algo is on a 1 minute. Leon came with a 31. And if you already got a 30-day trial, I'll let you guys decide or pick someone, here in the live chat yourself who you think deserve it. I think Leon got it the other day. So, Leon, if you do win, you'll be able to pay it forward. Yeah, you play baseball or football or soccer. Has a field as well. I can't wait. Like my oldest son, he's more into the video games, like in numbers. Okay. All right, who else out there? Let's see. Baseball. Yeah, man, I played baseball my 7th and 8th grade year. And I was horrible. I couldn't hit. I couldn't fucking catch a fly ball if it was coated with super glue. Like my first, second game ever playing baseball, one of my friends got hit in the mouth at the plate. And man, since then, Wednesday, yeah, second playoff game. Good luck, man. Hope he win. I hope he win. Don't forget to update us though, Leon, because I am going to be asking you Thursday how the game went. But yeah, this is nuts. $33? Yeah, that's nuts. Who said a dub? Better you was thinking a dub? Hey, shnikes. It's his 4th season and he took a leap, so now he got me crazy invested. Yeah. Man, I know that feel good. I know that feel good, man. Because I was into basketball and football. I did boxing from 6 years old to 12. Once I got in junior high, it was straight basketball then. Yeah, you never know what's going to happen. Like I said, this thing closed at 100% profit ratio and was driving the buys 46. Okay, last Tuesday. Short activity because we don't. Let me go back. Because I got to find an explanation for this. Okay. A swing cycle. This is what you call a short cover wave. All right. Let's see how many people we got in here. It does. I'm divorced, so it was rough for a bit, but our relationship has gotten a lot better in the past. Yeah, man, I'm on year 2 in my marriage. And it does get rough, man. But at the same time, things happen, man. Yeah, we just hit 2 years. March 28th. In fact, guys, it's all on my YouTube channel. The marriage, birth of my son. It starts off like a small town marriage. Lovely wife and life, baby carriage. Alright, guys, 12 likes. 12 likes. Alright, that is comical. That is comical after we sat here and watched this thing run from, shout out to my boy Better, because no one does it like him. But again, I think where did we catch this at? Towards the end of we caught it because during the halts, because we voted whether to go up or down. I forgot what price it was. I'm looking through the chat to see if Better dropped it in here. At 2:55, he 5 minutes before the close. Oh yeah, it halted until the close. And after the close, it ran. What is the news on this? But with a market cap that high, it's not as risky. But what brings the risk in is that high profit ratio, backed by a low share float, 1.54 million. That float cap is 22.78 million, but with the huge turnover ratio, the way this thing's running, you could see hundreds of millions of dollars of liquidity pour into this thing. Check out AGRI. The algo is on the 1 minute chart, not the 3, so the reading will be a little bit different than what we're looking at over there on Moo. That's that retracement fall. Ooh, that mid bounce. It didn't quite hit the mid. Probably hit the mid on the 1 for sure. Broke through the mid on the 1. Yikes. But when it breaks through the mid, guys, it's more often than not it's going to challenge that lower, which it did. But when it breaks through the upper to the upside, then it's pointing to challenging the upper. Okay, just to let you guys know. And that's another reason why I like using Moo, because Moo actually explains it all to you. Look at the Bollinger Band, as you guys can see here on the day. Well, it's not going to show the aftermarket at all, so it only accounts for the trading day. But as you guys can see here on the day, we broke through upwards on the mid, which more often than not, we tend to actually challenge that upper in most cases, in most stocks, not all. As you guys can see here, Bollinger crosses up middle. Trend is bullish. We look at the back testing, 9% chance that this thing will rise in a situation like this. The max increase 4%. Here tomorrow. See what else we can find. CTNT isn't going anywhere. It isn't going anywhere. That thing at 40 bones. That thing is at 40 bones. See, if I wasn't doing a live stream, probably would have bought this. Swing it for about, I wouldn't have held it this long. Let's just say that. But I got in at the aftermarket right around 20 bucks. We got rid of this thing around 28. But let's look at the options chain. Oh, fuck it. Ain't that some malacca? No options. So this thing might just fly. Let's see. Currently got 7 people watching, 15 likes. Well, it says 9 now. 15 likes. I accept 15 likes, guys, but we can do better. We can do better, guys. But it's time to give out that free 30 days. For those that just came into, well, you guys ain't get the joke, so we're just gonna give it out now. I turned 30 years old February the 12th, which means my boy Leon has won, which means Leon has the opportunity to pay it forward. Whether it's today, tomorrow, or next week. Leon, if you see someone in the chat, basically, I guess supporting the channel or saying some great things or pointed out a great stock, then you can appoint them then, or however you want to do it. You got the keys. G-Wave just died. Better is like a human scanner. Yo, LJM, what's going on? Glad you still here. Hope you smashed that like button. I know you guys probably didn't get a notification that this video went out because, again, I'm shadow banned. So that sucks. We got them sale orders. We on the 3-minute chart here. How did that get over there? What was the high? 45? Only thing we can go off of. right, we're gonna do columns. I just want to see if it's any foreign money coming in. I told you better. They got me shadow banned. No, I don't see any lot orders. Odd lot orders. Man, I wish this had options. But you know who does have options, guys? FFIE. I'll be going puts. Out the money puts. Alright. At $1.50. This expires 6/21. You got a whole. It should say the day still expire here. Oh yeah, I ain't got the contract up. 32 days before the contract expires. And honestly, at $1.50 strike, at 86 cents, I see this contract getting upwards to $4 because FFIE has more potential to go under $1 by then than it does to have staying above $1.50. Thanks, man. Thanks, LJM. Let me just call you LJ. Yeah, guys, the only way we could puts for FFIE here. Here go the contract right here. Right here. Open interest is nice and heavy. The heaviest one though is that dollar. The reason because yeah, I wouldn't even get that one. I like the $1.50 one better. Yeah, it was a nice turnaround on FFIE. But by June 21st, honestly, FFIE will be well below $1. Of course, you can make more money if you bought the dollar strike in that case. But the $1.50 is much safer. The contract right now at the close for the $1.50, 86 cents. For the $1, 50 cents. Yeah, I would take it too, man. I would take it too. But I would take that and hedge a small long position. But a lot of people don't realize, guys, it's more money to be made being a bear. That's why hedge funds are so ahead. And the reason being because of that is that It is easier to spot a bad stock than it is a good one. Right or wrong? MMAT. I think MMAT is OTC'd, right? Oh, it's still on the NASDAQ. What's going on? Yeah. That's why hedge funds are so ahead. They don't have to pick a needle out of a haystack. They just got to pick the hay around the needle. So that's why I get more excited when I see one of these type of stocks run massively, because it's an easy spot on the puts. But shorting, on the other hand, it's a little bit more tricky. Let's say that. It doesn't have a limit to how much you can lose, unless you're shorting contracts by just selling them. But MMAT, CTNT still pushing. It's still pushing. Live stream. How many people we got? 8 people, 15 likes. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're new to the live stream, ladies and gentlemen. What about Timo Facebook Meta? Cost too much. I mean, if you want to get a lot of leverage, instead of messing with like NVIDIA, Meta, AMD, those options contracts, pretty expensive. Just mess with the SPY, the Qs. Costco. What is Costco's ticker symbol? Never seen it. $45 on the high. Let's check this out. Because honestly, the short position is taken here today. We ain't going that far. Oops, I'm on the wrong thing. Sorry about that. Full hours. That neutral is heavy. So we may come into a consolidation period here pretty soon, which may put selling pressure on longs, because this thing did close at 100% profit ratio. But that active buy is huge. So over a third bigger than an active sale. Tears me up, moves slow. Yeah, but when you buying contracts, when you buying options, it doesn't move slow at all. You just got to know when to place those orders, when to get in and when to get out. Timing is more important on getting in, because you only want to be in the options, especially when you're trading just the premiums. If it's a call, because those are easy, or yeah, calls are more easy when we're talking just straight momentum over time. I would say puts are the easiest outlook, but when you're talking about straight momentum off going off those bids, calls is easy, pretty easy. And I'm just looking between 40 to 80%, between 2 to 5 minutes. But I don't go looking for them, chasing them, or anything like that. I let all my trades come to me. Yeah, it's no options for CTNT. It is something for FFIE though. We made tons of money on this shit. EV company, VinFast. Tons of money on them put options. It was right around the big drop. And the reason and what drew me in to get the puts on VinFast was when I looked at the market cap and noticed at the time VinFast had a top 5 market cap in the auto manufacturing sector. I instantly knew at that moment, oh man, this thing is way overvalued. Puts, we got those put contracts out to February. Got them out to February, guys. And that was back in August, I believe. Yep. Bought them contracts out to February. In like 3 days, they were up like over 1,000%. I think I still got it over in the major buy alert section. I think this was it. No, that was the Affirm put. 1,000%, guys. Average cost was only 12 cents. We noticed the Affirm. We actually had a Affirm long position on the major buy alert. Once we hit that second price target, boom, we got those puts. And that was easy money. That was part of the $100 to $1,000 challenge, where I add $50 to my portfolio every week, but I start off with $100 and I take you along the ride and growing that account to $1,000. That's what that was about. Showing you guys how to manage portfolios, how to ration off and put it in ratios on the percentage of like investments, long-term investments. I feel as though that is the foundation of all portfolios, and that should be upwards to 60% of your total portfolio. 20%, the other 20%, we would use that for day trades, options, swing trades, risky investing. Let's just call it that. And the other 20% is something that you always want to have on hand, just in case if you're forced to average down. I had the 650 VinFast put, I believe. You was watching the channel better? Yeah, that VinFast was just easy money. Like, these guys, I never seen a vehicle, but you're valued higher than Neo, Lucid, Rivian, Toyota at the time. Like, bro. Nah. And then once I seen that, I went on YouTube and just looked at actual reviews, not investor reviews, people that have biased opinions. These are actual car enthusiasts. They said the vehicle was shit. So, puts. And if we look at their balance sheet, I mean, EVs aren't profitable, guys. They haven't been since they hit the road. Yes, Tesla continues to hold a massive market cap, but you have to take into consideration no matter how much a company loses in revenue, it doesn't affect the share price at all. Tesla loses money off every vehicle sold, but the share price continues to hold at astronomical levels. Once was the biggest company in the, not the biggest, but the second biggest. Elon Musk was the richest man in the world once upon a time, but the share price continues to hold these levels because of the only thing that changes the share price is buying and selling of the shares, ladies and gentlemen. People are more infatuated with Elon Musk than what the company is really doing. Yeah, he have a lot of side ventures, but I don't think he's gonna pull a Meta type of move where he makes a parent company, and that will change because you will have SpaceX, a lot of other things this guy got going on. But yeah, EVs aren't. There go a Chinese stock, MGOL. I remember this thing IPO'd. No, this is not a Chinese stock, but I remember when it IPO'd. Around all the Chinese stock, you had HKD. What was the other one? It was another stock out there. Tops ran. I think Top Financial. Yeah, that was a Chinese stock. Yeah, HKD wasn't too far off from it. It was like IPOs was just popping crazy. This thing went from literally. This thing was trading at $6.88 on Wednesday, and by Friday that thing seen a high at $256. And they blame me for it, but it did have a very low share float, which made the share price sway much easier. Oh, I see what the fuck my real client. Okay. Yeah, man, they tried to blame me for the Top financial explosion. And the only thing I did was just tell people on Reddit it was going to be a short cover wave coming up. That's it. And I was looking at the tape, it was more foreign liquidity coming into the tops than anything. All right, so what we sitting here at? Currently only got 15 likes, guys. We're about to end this one here. Let's check out. CTNT. Yeah, guys, be looking out for one of, I'm gonna drop 2 update videos. They're not going to be any live streams. They're one going to come out before after market close, and the other is going to come a little bit after. We're going to be talking about CTNT, give you my expectations on this, a few other stocks that we were following here in today's live streams. Also, we're going to talk about FFIE, G-Wave, and a few others that upset a lot of retailers here today. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.